Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, Mr. Avnesh Kumar.
Yes, sir.
How
Anvesh
are you,
Kumar.
sir?
I am fine, sir. You,
Great,
sir?
great. Yes, I am little bit fine, but it's okay now.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Where are you
And
from?
I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra, Andhra.
Andhra Pradesh,
Yes,
in Ongol.
Ongul, Ongul.
So, you know,
Yes.
sir?
Well, no, I have no idea, but I have heard about Ongul.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
What about, sir?
Tell me about yourself, sir. Tell me about yourself.
Yeah, sir. I am studying PG completed.
Pardon, pardon, pardon.
PG completed, sir.
PG. What does it
Mm.
mean by PG?
PG post graduation
I see.
after degree
After. In which subject, sir? In which subject?
statistics
Statistics.
MSCS.
I see. I see. Great, great. Well,
My father,
you people are most educated, more educated.
but speaking English very badly.
The thing is, you haven't tried earlier before. You should
O-
have tried earlier. You know,
Okay,
you should have tried earlier. Now you could speak English. But no
okay,
problem. It's not big deal. It's not a big deal.
okay,
You can start now. You can start from today. It's not big deal, sir. It's just a language.
okay.
Okay. So what's your plan? What's your plan now? You have finished your PG, post graduation.
Yeah, post graduation I completed
Mm-hmm.
and present in Samsung Service Center data operator. I'm working data operator, Samsung Service Center.
In a Samsung service center, you're working as a data operator.
Data operator,
What's your job exactly in a data, as a data operator?
data operator, system operator, typing and
I see.
mm,
How did you know about me? How did you know about me? How did you come to know about my channel and me?
sir, I follow daily YouTube your channels,
Mm-hmm.
speaking well and your speaking well and then motivate you motivate very well.
Okay. Do you
So
personally? Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Go ahead.
so that's the reason.
Okay. You personally think or you personally believe that I speak very well, or someone told you that I speak very well?
Yes, me.
But yeah, tell me, sir.
Uh, and that's the reason. So you tell me, sir. You tell me. I listen.
Well, look, you are
Ne-
my
ne-
guest now.
nervous,
Listen, sir, Mr.
nervous.
Anway.
Ah,
No,
sir, sir.
sir, why you nervous? We are brother.
Okay,
Consider me as your brother. Don't, why you nervous?
okay,
Okay, tell me the reason. I'm not taking your interview. You are not here as a candidate. Just we are here to learn something. Just general
okay,
conversation. Okay. If you will feel like that, then how are you gonna learn English, Mr. Anvesh Kumar?
okay, sir.
If you will hesitate, if you will fear, if you will bother like that, then how are you gonna learn English? Don't bother at all. We
Okay, sir.
are, you don't have anything to lose, and I don't have anything to lose. We are here to just spend a few moments only. And show me your courage. With a few minutes, show me your courage. That you tell me that you can speak English, although you can understand English. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something.
Yeah, my name is Anvesh Kumar. My
Yeah,
father name is Ramanjanelu.
yeah.
My mother is passed away.
You must ask sorry for that.
Alright, so it's okay, sir. And my elder brothers, three brothers, and me.
Mm-hmm. You are three brothers. Yes,
I'm
I
big
see.
brother. I'm big
Mm-hmm.
brother. and second one is studying intermediate.
Mm-hmm.
Third one studying 10th
Yes,
class.
yes,
10th
yes,
class.
yes, yes.
The
Tell me about your dream in your life. What you wanted to become. What you want to do something in your life.
present IT software and anything in government job. I get a government job
You're looking
and
for a
I
government job.
yeah government job and IT any sector.
Yes, IT any sector. So it's not fixed yet. You
Mm,
haven't fixed yet anything which kind of a job you are looking for.
mm.
Yes, I see. So it seems like you are confused. Seems like you are confused related to your job, Mr.
Yeah,
Analyst.
yeah,
You
yeah,
are
sir.
not sure. You are not sure about your job. What exactly job you are looking for? You should try to look a job exactly to your field. So,
Exactly,
yeah.
exactly. Present, I going IT side, software
Yeah.
engineer.
Are you
Yeah,
interested in IT field? Are you interested?
yes, I'm interested. But speaking very
It doesn't matter, sir. It doesn't matter. By the time goes on, you will learn English. You just need to crack the interview only, first of all.
yeah.
So, who suggests you to speak English, to talk in English? Who suggests you to learn English? Someone suggests you, or by
No, no, no.
yourself you are learning English?
Yeah, myself here English and
When you realize that you want to learn English, do you have any idea?
I idea last 2 months and 3 months. And after going and outside, other persons talking very fluently English, but my also learning English, speaking English. Uh, I and the forgotten. I'm sorry. ఏమంటారు that's the reason.
Okay, first of all, build the confidence, sir. You don't have the confidence.
Okay.
You completely don't have confidence and you are confused. So first of all, build the confidence. Nobody gonna do anything. No, you have to build the confidence. You seems like not confident guy. Well, I'm sorry if you feel bad. I'm sorry for that.
Oh, no, no problem.
But you have completed your PG and still you are fumbling on your English. You should try earlier before. You should have tried earlier before. But anyway, no problem. You can learn. No problem. It's not. How are you gonna learn English? What is the method you are learning English nowadays? How you learn
And
English?
YouTube listening videos or motivatives and songs.
Well,
Then
listening, it's effective, but not that much.
okay,
Yes, listening English is effective, but not that much. And, if you really wanted to learn English soon and quickly, so you have to speak. You have to practice every day your English with someone. That's the only one. That's the only way.
okay, sir. I speak okay, but practice how to practice?
Practice. No, no, no. Practice in a sense. Try to speak with someone. Try to
Oh,
find out a partner. Practice.
okay, sir.
Yes. As the more you practice, the more you learn. The confidence will build up automatically.
Okay, sir.
So need practice. Sir. You need to practice. How do you communicate while you're working in your Samsung factory or whatever you are? How you will communicate with your local guy, with your peer, with your colleague? How do you communicate with them? How?
Um,
I said while working, how do you communicate with your local people, with your peers, with your colleague? How do you communicate? Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? Do you speak Hindi? Do you understand Hindi?
little bit, sir. little bit.
सर आप जब काम करते हैं तो आप लोगों से किस तरह बात करते हैं? कौन सा लैंग्वेज में बात करते हैं? इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं या आंध्रा में बात करते हैं?
कौन से में आंध्रा आंध्रा बात करते हैं।
इंग्लिश में बात नहीं करते?
Yeah,
हाँ
English and Hindi, both are languages.
हाँ, don't speak Hindi then. You know, while you communicate with your peer, with your colleague, don't try to speak Hindi. Try to speak English only.
Okay.
It will help you out. Yeah, this is you can create an environment out there. You know, while working, don't try to speak with them in Hindi. Try to speak with them in English only. Whether
Okay.
you are right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Try to speak English with them. That's the only way.
Okay.
And do one thing, read something, read something. If you have something, whatever, any kind of a book, read something and try to practice with people. Okay, try to practice.
You talk to me, sir, every day.
Sorry?
If you don't mind, you talk to me every day.
I extremely sorry. I apologize. I am extremely sorry, sir. I cannot.
Okay,
I
okay. No problem, no problem.
I really wanted to help you, but there is some limitation as well with me.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I am extremely sorry, but I can provide you a partner. If you really want a partner, I can provide you a partner.
Okay.
You want a partner? I'll provide you. Don't you worry.
Which partner, sir?
English partner, sir. I'm talking about English partner. If you need badly English partner, then I'll definitely provide you.
Who, sir?
Anybody. We have groups. We have an English group where only who want to learn English. They are out there. They are talking to each other. If you are interested, let me know. I'll help you. I'll add your number out there.
Okay, sir. I am interested.
Yes, that's good. Leave your message. Leave your number to me on Skype, then, or say hi to me on WhatsApp. I'll add you out there in that group with whom you people can talk to with these people. Okay.
Okay.
Then,
Okay, sir.
Mr. Avnesh, it's time to move on, sir. Thank you for calling.